Go. Check. There we go. Now we're good. All right, now we're good. If you guys haven't, dude, this new funded next deal is nuts. I don't say that about prop deals much, but it's insane. You have no profit split, so it's 100% of your payouts. You have uncapped payouts. There's no payout caps. No daily loss limit. No scaling rules. News trading is allowed. There's no news trading restrictions. No activation fees and no subscriptions. No monthly subscription either. That is nuts. 5 profitable days, just like Top Step. You can withdraw 50%. And there's no consistency on legacy funded. That is literally, there's no way they're making very much money on this deal. Yep, funded next. You can use code Jdun25 for 25% off if you've never had an account. Wild. Code Jdun if you already have an account for 15% off. Yeah, honestly, it's nuts. It's not often I get hyped about a prop firm deal, but for funding, if you're looking for futures trading, this is the best deal in the industry right now. At least for the next 4 days. As always, I appreciate you all using code Jdun with Apex, Tradeify, and all, but it's game changer. Got one. Let's go, Mom's Splaining. Let's go, Keyshawn. A legacy plan has no consistency and funded for the next week. Yep. But Rapid, you can do 1 day pass. So that's the only benefit of Rapid. I'm looking for a banger. I'm trying. Right now, I'm talking about a funded next deal, which if you trade futures, you'd be silly not to try. It's honestly insane. You can have up to $300,000 in funding too. So you can have 6 50K accounts, which is pretty nuts too. I'll put the link in the chat right here too. Yeah, today's nice. You're getting a payout. M4K, that's awesome. Gene just qualified for a payout today too. How much you qualified for? 3.5K? Damn, that makes Gene almost 10K for the month on payouts. Appreciate you, Tony. Much love, bro. But today's trading conditions were not the best. I mean, it was fine. We caught, ended up positive on the day, barely, but just slow. Honestly, slow grinds up at all-time highs are my least favorite and least impactful type of day. By far. Do I know what I'm doing? You tell me. You tell me every day when I come on live if I know what I'm doing or not. What are you trading, like ups and downs? I mean, I trade upside and I trade downside. I trade both, baby. I trade upside, I trade downside, I trade side to side. Come on now. Funded next deal is 25% off using code Jdun25 if you're a new user. Otherwise, just code Jdun. It's honestly, there's so much. No scaling rule, no consistency on legacy. I have a whole list. It's honestly nuts. No activation fees, no subscription, uncapped payouts, no daily loss limit. Like, it's just, if you ever wanted to get into trading prop firms or get a new deal, no brainer. Way better than TPT. Way better. Way better. It's funded next. Weather's good here. It's chilling. It's great. Chilling. Yo, Gene, will you grab my espresso? Please? Please? What's my strat at this time? Same as always. VPA and key levels. Nope, no recurring fees. What account do you recommend with funded next? I like the 50Ks. Gene likes the 25Ks. Because you can have like 12 of them. You can have 6 50Ks. You can have up to 300K in funding. If you go to fundednext.com, that's where you'll find all the accounts, and you can use code Jdun25 or Jdun. Or I'll just put it in here so you can copy and paste it. So how was everyone's morning, guys? You guys all follow DOD? You guys all follow your discipline over dopamine? That's my main concern right now. I appreciate you, Shred. You got cooked today. What happened? Why'd you get cooked, bro? What's going on? What happened, bro? I wasn't disciplined at all, Jdun. I revenge traded short at all-time highs. And why'd you do that? You know, what was the why? What does your data say? Up 545 on first hour funded. Yeah, Jdun 25 is for one account. Code Jdun is 15% on the rest. Legacy has no funded, so I recommend Legacy. I appreciate y'all supporting. I'm going to do my best the rest of this week to help y'all pass. We got a big group coming to the headquarters too on Friday. We're going to have 15 traders there. Slight down, red down $100. DOD need 2 more green days for another payout. Hey, well, good job not blowing yourself up. That's great. Best thing that helps my discipline is taking a day off when I'm mentally not there on the day. That's great. That's incredible. If you have the ability to recognize when you're not there for the day and you can walk away, that is growth. It might not seem like it, but that is growth. I'm new here. I've been trading for about 1.5 years now. Still not profitable, but that DOD really resonates. Thank you. You're welcome. Yo, Team Bull's also going to be adding, more than likely, not 100%, but there's a very good chance we're going to be adding another elite member soon who is not a male. We're going to have another girl in the house soon, likely. Going to get some estrogen up in here. We're going to get some more estrogen up in here. Christina's already an elite. Someone's coming on, likely. Not 100%, but it's looking very likely. Yeah, Drewski. So, Funded Next is a prop firm. You follow the rules, you get paid. It's a funding company. You pay a fee. There's no subscriptions with Funded Next, which is cool. you hit all the requirements and you get paid out. Guys, I was not a fan of my mobile setup that I just tried out. I'm going to be returning the laptop. I wasn't a fan with its performance, so I'm just going to honestly get a PC that I can take with and like a hard suitcase and just take it with me and just customize the suitcase. Aren't you worried about the movement? Not really. I'm chilling. I caught a nice move earlier. That was solid. There's no free trials on prop firms. There's no free trials on firms. Gene's an elite member too. Gene's a dude. There's quite a few decent ones, JJ. DOD has been great this month. Only one red day this month. That's what I'm talking about. Minch trades. Let's go. Let's go, Minch. What's up, Diesel? How's it going, bro? What prop firm do I recommend? I mean, it depends on your preference. Right now, the best deal is Funded Next, hands down. They're extremely cash heavy. There's no worries ever about you getting your payouts. And guess what? If they don't give you your payout in 24 hours, they give you an extra $1,000, which is kind of cool. They have a guarantee on there. You request, you don't get it within 24 hours. Guess what? You get a $1,000 bonus. That being said, you'll like always get your payout within 24 hours. But if they don't, you get $1,000 on top. So kind of cool. I've been on a heater. I've been over 70% lately, Christian. I mean, today I was 50. I had one win, one loss, but today wasn't as great. But we'll take it. Yep, they have trade evade as well. Let's go, Tiffany. I'm tired. I look tired. Do I sound tired? I'm chilling. Probably just the lighting. I'm honestly juiced up. I'm drinking espresso right now. Juiced. I am vibing, my boy. Let me put my new glasses on too. Maybe that'll be better. Ooh, whoa. Now, y'all should all have watched the 3-hour free course. If you haven't watched the 3-hour free course, I don't know what to tell you. All right, y'all. Let's see if we can find a move for Power Hour. We're just consolidating right now. I'm looking through individual names as well, seeing if we can find anything good. Tesla. Oh my gosh, what's Tesla's having a dip? This could be a stock and play. They get news or something? Damn, I missed a big Tesla move today. That orb paid nasty on Tesla. Hello, I'm going to watch you. I'm interested in learning this, so just going to spectate from the sideline. Welcome, bro. You'll learn a lot. We got a pretty awesome community here. Yeah, this Tesla is really dipping. On some aggressive volume, too. On the eval, not on funded. Funded next on the eval, there's consistency. Once you get to funded, there's no consistency, which is fire. For you. Don't. This past 2 accounts, it should show up. Do I like Tradeify? Yes. Code Jdun works for Tradeify too, and I appreciate you supporting. Financial independence, retire early. Fire. I like that. I like that a lot, actually, as a matter of fact. I can't imagine Musk leaving Tesla. Not instant, but they have 1 day pass and technically 3-day pass. Damn, bro came in and threw love and hate. Bro said, my Trojans are going to beat the Cornhuskers this Saturday, but I've learned a lot with Team Bull. I don't know whether to pin your comment or to ban you. Unfortunately, you're wrong and you're right. You're wrong about the first, but you're right about the second.
Go Big Red.
Go Big Red. GBR, baby. Let's go. What time's that game at? Let's see. Nebraska football. 5:30. Our time is 6:30. 6:30 Central. Nebraska needs a dub. After getting our butt kicked by Minnesota. What's the difference between Rapid Challenge and Legacy? Well, Rapid's 1 day pass, but you have payout caps, I believe, right, Gene? But Legacy is 40% consistency on eval, but once you pass that, you have no consistency on funded and you have no payout caps. I see you at Ball Arena. Pretty cool to see your success with this. Thank you, Elle. It's nice meeting people from in person online. God bless. Next time you see me, say hello. I actually met a Team Bull member at church yesterday. That was pretty cool. I mean, honestly, everywhere I go these days, I feel like I see someone I know or that recognizes me. Excuse me. It's pretty crazy. It's a blessing. I love it. It's always super positive. I always say if you see me in person, I'm kind of hard to miss, given that I'm very tall and tattooed and large. So come say what's up if you ever see me in Colorado or around. I also am 10 foot tall, so it's just a little bit hard to miss. Just a little. I am in Colorado, yes. Very tall and tattooed and large. Pretty much, bro. That's, I mean, basically when you break it down. How tall am I? 6'7". I'm a tall boy. When I get my first payout, I want to fly it to Colorado Team Bowl HQ and see all the goats. Come on. I saw you in your Lambo and you revved it and took off. Yeah, the kids all wanted to see it revved. They all want me to rev it all the time. Rev it. Fine. What do I think about Mark Douglas? I think his book is really good. Trading in the Zone. I mean, like, yes and no. Like, it's good knowledge, sure, but no book is going to make you profitable. What's going to make you profitable and consistently profitable is having confidence in yourself, having a set system, and consistently managing risk. Don't play. What's up, Drake? Damn, Tesla's still falling. We never got that retest back into that trend-setting candle here. I wouldn't bounce this either. Do I talk? No, we only trade in sign language here. Yes, I talk. That means gosh. It's like those stupid Wes Watson videos where he's like, bro, what the hell are you doing? You look goofy. That was code for go all in. If I win, I'm right. If I lose, it's not my fault. Would I host a Team Bowl event in Miami? Yeah, for sure. I would. I don't love Miami, but I'd host an event there. Am I going to buy or sell? I'm not in anything right now. Is trading boring? Yup, it sure is, but that's how good trading should be. I mean, when you join Team Bull, when you trade with me, I try to spice things up a little bit. You feel me? But it's trading inherently itself is boring. Our group text, Gene, with Brandon. So funny.
On my end, Jacob,
What?
on my end, wasn't funny.
No, Brandon. Just that card he made.
I told him it's like I'm getting invited to a King's Day, which is a 15-year-old girl's birthday party.
So funny, bro.
He's never sending us stuff like that again.
Do I use a totally different strategy for Power Hour? No. I just watch VPA. I mean, honestly, right now we're not really getting a ton of movement, so like that's why I was looking at individual names. Like sometimes I'll go look at like the Tesla 4 hour and 1 hour and daily. Like right now we're holding above this previous 450. If we can build a base above 450, barring any Elon Musk news, we should see more movement to the upside on Tesla this week if we can hold this area up here. Solid volume on this candle. Candle, you want to close above 450. Obviously, we had news, but we'll see. So we'll see what they give us here. We'll see what they give us for Power Hour. But yeah, Royval made like $700 with us today. He lives in Colorado. We're gonna have him to the office. I'm gonna try to get him there again Friday.
Who?
What up, Saw Dogs? Brandon Royval.
Oh yeah, Brandon already invited him.
Did he?
He's coming.
Yep. So we have a lot of people that want to come Friday for Halloween. I'm dressing up. If you come to the Team Bull headquarters on Friday, you gotta dress up. Gotta dress up. Non-negotiable. Any advice for bettering trading psychology? Just build confidence in yourself. That's how you better your psychology. You don't better your psychology by reading books. You better your psychology by becoming more confident in your ability to execute and your ability to manage risk. By understanding where price is headed and also understanding where your potential trade is wrong and having your downside capped. Your psychology takes a hit every time you go on tilt. How do we have all these people in the Discord stream and all y'all don't got the bull tag? Come on. Press bull and adopt. Come on now, y'all. We need more bowls. We need more bowls in the Discord chat. Come on. Bowl, 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 bowl. Gene, you're stupid. I mean, I'm never going to say that. Okay, let me rephrase that. I'm never going to say that reading is a bad thing or knowledge is a bad thing. But I'm saying that reading books by themselves isn't going to make you profitable. What the hell is going on? Why are we nuking? Oh, is it? Wait. Spidus had a nuker on my screen. Wow. I mean, I'm never gonna say that books and knowledge won't help you. I'm just saying no book's gonna make you profitable by itself. What's gonna make you profitable is your ability to execute with confidence and manage your risk. If you gain knowledge from a book that helps you do that, then sure. Definitely possible that a book helps. Just press buy. Okay, Asia. Right? Hey, Yuval, he came to the Nuggets game on Saturday. That was dope. And Q said, I'm just going to say screw it and rip. I think Grizzlies in Zoom. I just seen that. I need to probably join. I just didn't. Curious, if I got a partnership with a trusted options prop firm and individual stocks prop firm, how many of y'all would try it and rock with it? Curious how many individual stocks and options traders we have here. Damn, quite a few people between the streams. Get in on open. It's actually a really nice volume candle right here. If we weren't, I don't know, at all-time freaking highs, I look for a pullback into this candle to long to the upside. But given that we're at all-time highs, I don't think it's going to work out very well. Futures are just a little simpler. Where do you start again? Where would you? I have Spring Valley. I got all types of bottled water here. Right now I'm drinking San Pellegrino. I hope you all had a DOD day, a discipline over dopamine filled day. I'm not saying you can't learn from a book. I'm saying no book's going to make you profitable. That's what I'm saying. You're not going to read a book and be profitable. Your profitability comes from screen time. Sure, you can get knowledge. It's similar to like You can read a book in medical school and learn about being a doctor, but that book isn't going to make you a good surgeon, right? You got to learn from experience and shadowing and residency, right? You got to learn from real experience. That's what I'm saying. There's no book itself is going to make you profitable. Like, you can get tips and good knowledge from said book, but like I said, I got like 100 books behind me. I love knowledge. I love learning, but not. There's just, it takes hands-on approach. Funded Next on their legacy funded has no consistency. So if you sign up for a legacy account, once you get past the eval, there's no consistency on funded. You flaunt Lambos and watches like it wasn't gained from selling in Discord. Oh, I made millions of dollars trading. Let's not get twisted, but I also made millions of dollars in business because my product is good and I help people. Made millions of dollars from grinding, baby. And I have one Lambo. I should get another one, but I prefer my humble Honda most days. Is funded next end of day? Gene, is funded next end of day?
Yes.
Yes.
On funded and eval.
On funded and eval. Rapid's cool. It's a faster eval, but Legacy's better in funded for sure. Yep, yeah. Funded next is baller. Their new plan today is nuts. Like, their margins are going to go down significantly on this plan. I get what they're doing. I mean, I've owned a prop firm. I know, I know the numbers, but what they want more new customers for their model, so they're willing to take a hit on they're willing to take a hit on their margins for like, a week or two long term for acquiring more customers. But it's good for the trader. Good for the trader. Yeah, that payout was not from affiliate codes, my boy. If I showed you my affiliate payouts, I'd make you cry. Then you'd really be a hater. But I help people, I make damn good money trading. I make damn good money in my businesses, and I make good money helping people. Like, I appreciate when you use code Jdun. I always appreciate it. I come on here and give winning trades live and give good tips live and give good consistency and discipline advice live every day. Just saying, a lot of gurus don't do that. A lot of people on here come and tell you to buy 1 million accounts and tell you to be prop firm indulgers forever, and they give you a bunch of terrible trades. And that's not what I do. I would rather you get payouts and take that money and start a live account. Take me out to dinner, baby. Let's see what they do. Am I done trading? I mean, I'm watching, but right now we're just not really getting a lot. Not getting a lot of movement. Bro says nobody makes money trading with me. So I'm curious, if you guys have traded with me live in the mornings for at least a month, has anyone here made money with me on the TikTok? If you've been trading live with me every day, has anyone made money and learned something? Vinny's made money. Fazzy has. This morning, Mr. 304 made money. So I guess they're no one. And that's Sir Sebastian did. There's 4. Jonathan did. To be fair, made 2 racks this morning. And well, of course we take losses. Now they're bots. You can't win with these people, bro. You can't now. I'm programming bots to say yes. That's what I'm doing. That's something. I got you. You make me laugh. I'll give you that, bro. I'll give you that. Fuck, I need hold on, guys. I gotta program more bots. There's no winning, dude. It's like Mr. Beast. He can provide water for a whole a whole city, and they'll be like, well, why do you record it, bro? No winning with them, man. There's no winning. Or like when I give money to a server, they're like, oh, it's cool, but the money doesn't matter because you recorded it. I'm like, yeah, that's right. You can't spend the money now. Shit, they joined for signals and they joined to learn. Damn, that idea that we had marked out on YouTube just paid. I didn't call it out. I didn't take any trades, obviously, but if you're watching, if you guys are watching that screen share, that just ended up paying this higher low right here. Damn. That just ended up paying Team Bull. It's funny because people are like, oh, well, no one that follows signals is profitable and no signals. But then if I were to not give my trades live, they'd be like, well, he's not profitable. He can't trade live. It's like, bro, there's just no winning. I'd rather give my trades live and help people learn from experience. And I always tell people, like, I want you to become profitable yourself. I want you to learn and build confidence. You can watch me trade, win, lose, or draw, and you can learn from what I'm seeing. And eventually, I'd rather you trade from yourself. You just get good experience watching someone who's been doing this for 9 years trade live, you know? The ultimate goal is not to be a signal taker. I'm with you. Like, you can't make money over a 3-year period only following signals, but you can shadow and learn a lot from signals and see what's going on in real time and build confidence in yourself and executing through them. I'm also going to scream at you to choose discipline over dopamine. Every day. I'm going to say, hey, don't do no dumb shit today. As a reminder too, guys, this is not our normal live stream. If you want to join the daily larger live stream, make sure you tap in the morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. I get on typically 30 minutes earlier, around 9 a.m. Eastern time. So if you guys want a new part of your daily routine, you want to stay disciplined, you want to make a change in your trading, come join. Join me every morning. Judge me by my performance every day, win, lose, or draw. 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. You can hit that follow button in the top left corner. You can hit that follow button in the top left corner, or you can hit that subscribe button on YouTube, and definitely press that bell icon where the little bell is and press all. You know what's also dope is I trade live with my students at the headquarters. What other trader has the nuts? What other trader has the nuts to bring people in person and trade live and call it their trades live in real time while trading live with their whole internet fam? I don't know any other ones, honestly. I'm just saying. It's not an easy thing to do. Not an easy thing to do mentally, but Gene's like, I don't know how you do it. I'm like, I don't know either. I think I'm just like a little slow. Like trading live in front of everyone, calling out trades, and also calling out trades online at the same time. I think I'm just a little slow, and some parts of my brain just doesn't register. It's tough for sure. All right, if I want to make $200 today, what would I need to do? You need to learn a system. I mean, you could ask me the same thing about making 20,000 a day, right? You're not going to make. You might get lucky and make it one day, but if you want to do that every day, you're gonna lose over time if you're consistently just focusing on monetary. You feel me? I'll give you $200 to get off my TikTok. All right, my Venmo is Jdun Trades. I think it's 55. If you Venmo me $200, I will block you so you never have to see me. If you Venmo me right now, and I will make sure I will go to my settings. I'll double block you, triple. You never have to see my face again. I'm gonna need that 200 up front though. No payment plans. Now, bro's not gonna send it. Hey, JJ, I'll see you when you get back, bro. Damn, that higher low we had circled on Screen share Discord. Damn, that is paid. Literally made that higher low in the trend setting candle. If we wouldn't have been at all-time highs, this is a setup that I'll take. That's hilarious. Is your I think you know who that was, Gene? I think that was Cody's wife, Emily.
He just sent us that video.
That's hilarious. She's like, you still haven't accepted my husband's $35. That is literally hilarious.
She said you're always on her TikTok.
I
must be doing something right.
I know. I can't get away from the people's algos, especially in Colorado.
Yeah, you're all over my mom's.
I think the failure rate of trading is more closer to like 95%. And if you know that going in, it's like, well, if 95% of people are going to fail, do you know how many active traders there are in the world? There's about, give or take, 15 million, maybe even more. So if there's 15 million traders in the world, okay, and if 5% of them will make it long term, that's 750,000 people. If you tell me that I have a chance to be one of 750,000 people that makes it in trading, you better bet your ass I'm going to do everything I have to be in that. You could tell me that 1,000 people are going to make it, and guess what? I'm still going to bust my ass and find a way to be in that 1,000 people, because that's my mindset. That's just how I've always been. You feel me? Like, it's the same thing with restaurants. Like, how many fail in the first 5 years? Like 80 to 90%? How many people get six-figure jobs out of college in the first 3 years? It's like less than 10% or something like that. Less than 5%. I'm just saying, like, you look at percentages, and if you have those self-limiting beliefs, then you're never going to make or do anything great with your life. You can either look at it as an obstacle or look at it as an opportunity. That's your choice. I look at it as opportunity. As long as it's possible, I'm going to make it happen. Oh my gosh, look at those longs, bro. Damn, you know what's funny, Gene? What was I telling those guys the other day at the dinner restaurant with the loud music? About them shorting all-time highs?
Oh, yeah.
These guys we were with, dude, so I was with these guys for dinner that I just met, and they were telling me they knew I traded, and so they're asking me for advice. So yeah, we went crazy heavy on shorts at market close market on Friday. Like, we got to go down now. Like, market's gone too high, and I'm just like sitting there and I'm telling them, like, all right, for one, y'all need to join Team Bull. For two, we need to talk a lot, because the mindset you have and the strategy you're trading now, you're going to get decimated long term.
They think they're Michael Burry.
They think they're Michael Burry, and it's like, I was telling them that statistically speaking, their edge will go up if they wait for higher lows and uptrends and lower highs and downtrends, and you short that with stops defined. And the guy goes, "Oh, like a bear flag?" I was like, "Oh boy, I need you to come to class on Friday. We got to work on this, my boy. We got to work on this, my boy." But yeah, it goes to show a lot of the public that doesn't know a lot about trading is just thinks like, oh, we went really high, it's time to short and turn back around, or we're going lower, we need to we need to buy because we can't go lower. Not the case. I literally said, this is terrible. I was like, if you guys want to know when to go short, you text me, and I'll let you know when you have a higher probability to go short. I don't use EMAs, not really. Gene does a little bit, I think.
Yeah, for Asia.
Yeah, for Asia he does. Yeah, trading all-time highs definitely takes more patience for sure. You're stupid, Gene. Can you short here, man? You can. I'm not going to tell you it's going to be a very good idea. I mean, it could work out. But the better entry was what we marked out earlier. What up, Einstein? I've seen that. It's awesome. Yeah, I've been looking at individual names a little more too, just because of being at all-time highs in the indice is a little tougher to trade. As a reminder, going into tomorrow's trading day, if you haven't gotten your funded next accounts yet, there is no better deal in the industry right now. Like honestly, you're burning money if you're trading futures with anyone else right now besides funded next for the next like three days. No profit split, uncapped payouts, no daily loss limit, no scaling rules, news trading is allowed, no monthly fees, no subscriptions, no activation fees, 5 profitable days, withdraw 50%. Like, how could you not? How could you turn that down? That's wild. And 25% off using code Jdun25. Basically, you get a lot of amazing rules for the next like 4 days. No consistency on legacy fundeds. I put the link in chat. I prefer the legacy accounts. So when you get funded, you have no consistency rule. Basically, you could have a massive nuker day and you're just solid. Funded next. Yup. Is Gene trading Asia today? Yep, he'll be trading Asia every day this week besides obviously Friday. Monday through Thursday. We got one more minute. I'm getting off in a minute. I don't believe I'll be able to get on for Asia today. Maybe. Maybe I'll come trade some gold with y'all. Now you're gone. You was strong. I'm like the Rain Man of trading. If you want to rock with Gene, join Team Bull. How can you start gambling? Go to Vegas. All right, y'all. I'm getting out of here. Everybody trade smart, trade safe, and do something positive for yourself tonight. Choose discipline over dopamine. Go to the gym. Read a book. Meditate. Do a task that you've been procrastinating. Do something positive for yourself so you can go into tomorrow with momentum, all right? A lot of your trading confidence and discipline is built in your day-to-day life. So that's your homework, all right? Get to the gym, do something positive for yourself, make positive change for yourself, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for live trading, all right? God bless y'all. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you in the morning. Team Bull forever. Peace. All right, y'all. God bless. I'm out of here, y'all. Make sure you hit that follow button in the top left corner if you're new on TikTok. I will see you tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. It's one day or it's day one. Make tomorrow day one. I'll see you guys in the morning on YouTube or TikTok or in Team Bull. Peace.